a simple task for you. If you do that, you get an exclusive gift from me. Oh, come on. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Flying kiss. Say cheese on the count of 1. Okay? 3, 2, 1. Say cheese!
ಕೆಲವು ಸಿಂಹಗಳ ಸುದ್ದಿಗೆ ಹೋಗದೇ ಇರೋದೇ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು.
Why are you running? I'm not gonna eat you. Sir, don't run. Come here. Okay?
ನಾವು ಹೊರದೊಡು ಸಲ 100 ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಲ.
Whoa! Whoa! Flying kiss, flying kiss. Ah, come back.
So I have a message from Blanca. She had made plans to come here today. She was all set, but there were some last-minute issues with travel plans. She sent a message for everyone out here. She said to make up for this, she'll be here for 1 week the next time she's here. Welcome everybody to Saga 27th stage. Of course, Raghav, please join me. Gopal, Ranga, Karthik, Giri, Arvind, Ujala, Jorge, Sangeeta. Welcome to Saga Awards, guys.
लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें है कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये रोशनी के साथ क्यों धुआं उठा चिराग से, ये ख्वाब देखती हूँ मैं कि जग पड़ी हूँ ख्वाब से। अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया जहां बसाओगे, किसी का प्यार लेके तुम नया जहां बसाओगे। ये शाम जब भी आएगी तुम हमको याद आओगे। अजीब दास्ता है ये, कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म, ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी, न वो समझ सके न हम। Thank you.
Get low when the whistle go.
pasito pa'lante, María. 1, 2, 3, un pasito para atrás.
J-Lo, ya tú sabes, no hay más nada.
It's a new generation
Mr. Worldwide,
of party people.
get on the floor, darling, get on. Red one.
Let me introduce you to my party people in the club.
I'm loose, and everybody knows I get off the train. Baby, it's the truth, the truth. I'm like Inception, I play with your brain, so don't sleep or snooze. I don't play no games, so don't get it confused, no. Cause you will lose, yeah. Now pump it up and back it up like a Tonka truck. Darling.
If you go hard, you gotta get on the floor. If you're a party freak, then step on the floor. If you're an animal, then tear up the floor. Break a sweat on the floor, yeah, we work on the floor. Dance the night away, live your life and stay young on the floor. Dance the night away, grab somebody, drink a little more. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor. Tonight we gon' be it on the floor.
दिल में हाँ है होठों पे ना, दिल में हाँ है होठों पे ना, पर बाजार में दिल तोड़ गई जालिमा। आशिकों की जाले गई, आशिकों की जाले गई, काहे रुमाल मगर छोड़ गई बालमा।
चाहने वाले तेरे जितने हजार सनम, बढ़ के हमसे नहीं होंगे दिलदार सनम। ये जमाना है बेवफा, ये जमाना है बेवफा, मिले मुश्किल से वफादार कोई बालमा। होश में ही सही मगर गुस्ताखिया हो जरा, आ तुझे चूम लूं भले बदनामिया हो जरा।
होश में ही सही मगर गुस्ताखिया हो जरा, आ तुझे चूम लूं भले बदनामिया हो जरा।
हुस्न है बेकाबू अगर, हुस्न है बेकाबू अगर, काहे जज्बात को काबू में रखे बाल मार। अय्या पगड़ी पजामा, अय्या वास्को डी गामा, अय्या पगड़ी पजामा।
प्यार में चीज है पीछा छोड़े ना वो मर्ज है, उम्र भर सर से जो मियाँ उतरे ना वो कर्ज है।
इससे बच के रहना जरा,
इससे बच के रहना जरा,
नजरअंदाज न कर
मशवरा ये काम का।
टुकुर 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 टुकुर।
Hey buddy, this is a song which is gonna be a massive hit of the year. Thank you.
ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮನುಷ್ಯದ ನಾನು ತೋಳ ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ಮಾಡಿಸುತ್ತ ಮನುಷ್ಯದ ನಾನು ತೋಳ ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ನಾಕಮುಖ. ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ನಾನು ತೋಳ ಬಚ್ಚಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ಅರ್ರರ್ರ ನಾಕಮುಖ 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 ನಾಕಮುಖ.
എഴുതാ ആ കിരന്നൊക്കെയാ പടല
गुनगुनाती है ये हवाएं, गुनगुनाता है गगन, गा रहा है ये सारा आलम।
Zubi-dubi pam para, zubi-dubi param pam. Zubi-dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zubi dubi pam para, zubi dubi param pam. Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे हैं,
दीवानी किरनी गा रही है, ये पंछी गा रहे।
बगिया में तो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zubi dubi pam para, zubi dubi param pam.
Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man. Zubi dubi pam para, zubi dubi param pam. Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
सन 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 हवा, टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राती बिजलियाँ।
भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 zubi dubi pam para, zubi dubi param pam.
Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zubi dubi pam para, zubi dubi param pam. Zubi dubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man.
पर का चांद जमीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, एक टिम टिम टूटा तारा इतरा के गा रहा।
हे रात अकेली तन्हा मुझे छू ले आके तू,
जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू।
आई 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 जुबी डूबी पंपारा जुबी डूबी परम्पम,
जुबी डूबी नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड मैन। जुबी डूबी पंपारा जुबी डूबी परम्पम, जुबी डूबी नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड मैन।
जुबी डूबी पागल स्टूपिड मैन, जुबी डूबी पंपारा
जुबी डूबी परम्पम, जुबी डूबी नाचे क्यों पागल स्टूपिड मैन।
Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me, oh feel me. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and heal me, oh heal me. Thinking about the love we're making and a life we're sharing. Come and feel me, oh feel me. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me, come on heal me.
हुआ जो तू भी मेरा मेरा, तेरा जो इकरार हुआ, तो क्यों ना मैं भी कह दूं, हुआ मुझे भी प्यार हुआ।
तेरा होने लगा हूँ, खोने लगा हूँ, जब से मिला हूँ। तेरा होने लगा हूँ, खोने लगा हूँ, जब से मिला हूँ।
Setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me, oh feel me. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and heal me, oh heal me.
वैसे तो मन मेरा पहले भी रातों में अक्सर ही चाहत के हाँ सपने संजोता था। पहले भी धड़कन ये धुन कोई गाती थी, पर अब जो होता है वो पहले न होता था।
हुआ है तुझे जो भी मुझे भी इस बार हुआ, तो क्यों ना मैं भी कह दूं, हुआ मुझे भी प्यार हुआ।
तेरा होने लगा हूँ, खोने लगा हूँ, जब से मिला हूँ। तेरा होने लगा हूँ, खोने लगा हूँ, जब से मिला हूँ। आँखों से छू लो के बाहें तरसती हैं, दिल ने पुकारा है हाँ अब तो चले आओ, आओ के मौसम की बूंदें बरसती हैं। दिल ने पुकारा है हाँ अब तो चले आओ।
बाहों में डाले बाहे बाहे, बाहों का जैसे
से मिला हूँ तेरा होने लगा हूँ, खोने लगा हूँ जब से मिला हूँ. Shining in the shade and sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me, come and feel me. Shining in the shade and sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and feel me, come and heal me. Thinking about the love and making and a life for sharing. Come and feel me, come on heal me. Shining in the shade and sun like a pearl upon the ocean. Come and heal me, come and feel me. Thank you very much. So this is something which was pending from quite long. I was hoping that I will have Blanca give out this special award, but unfortunately she could not come. But I have to do it now. Come on, Krish. Guys, give him a big round of applause. I wanted to give it to you in the hands of Blanca. Finally.
Let's move on and get a little bit serious and recognize, our colleagues who have gone above and beyond in the past year and set new standards that we can all aspire to and aim for. I'm, of course, talking about our All-Stars. Every year, for the people who joined us new, every year we give out something called the All-Star Awards. And this is to recognize people who are some of our top performers. We're going to this time take it slightly different and show you the list of nominees, because we want to tell you how many people we had who were nominated and who we wanted to recognize and thank. It's always a small number that you ultimately end up with, but we wanted to recognize them as well. Here are the nominees for this year's All-Star Awards. Hello. All right, those were our nominees. Now, take over, please.
Okay, let's see who are our all-star winners for this year. And our first winner is Deepak Kumar.
Get your game on. Only shooting stars break up.
Moving on, our next winner for the evening, Arun Gowda, Argo.
You're an all-star. Get your game on. Go play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on. Get paid.
Arun, an ITIL methodology expert who can work on proposals, solutions, or operations with an ability to manage very big teams in a more structured way. He understands SoftTech culture very well, and all the managers who work with him has very high regards. So, big round of applause, guys, to Arun Gowda.
Hey now, you're a rock star. Get Get the show on, get paid, and all that glitters is gold. Only
Our next winner,
Yeah.
Mohan Reddy. Mohan has always been very committed and hardworking, has been working with SWA team for the past 1 year. He has stabilized the ERP area and got lot of appreciation from stakeholders. He was also nominated for Lever Mark 2016. Please give a big round of applause to Mohan Reddy.
the show on, get paid, and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. And all
Karthik, help us
Prakash
present.
Mandalekar. Prakash has been our L3 support for ABI OS
Congratulations.
competency, has received many appreciation from nearshore, offshore clients for handling critical incidents single-handedly. He was also nominated for Lever Mark Award 2016. Big round of applause, guys.
get paid, and hey now, you're an all-star.
Okay, our next winner for the evening is Raju Subramaniam. A staunch follower of the process and no deviations or errors can be found. A top performer for past many years and is trusted blindly by his manager. A silent hard worker. Love him or hate him, but you cannot ignore him because he handles all your money matters. Raju Subramaniam. Our winner for the evening is Rituja Soni.
Only shooting stars break the mold.
Rituja has been a consistent and excellent performer throughout 2016. She studies market, has an eye to detail to target companies and vendors to get the right candidate, and she has worked on some of the tough positions such as Demantra, Bipex, Sabre, Amadeus, and Cyrex. That's Rituja Soni, guys.
Please come to the stage if I call your name. The first nominee is Leela Mohan from ERP.
You're an all-star, get your game
Langade. Mayuri from BPO.
on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star.
Lohit Sinchu, come on board, man. Come and get your certificate. Lohit?
Get the show on, get paid, and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold.
Nataraj Nanjundappa.
On, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star.
Shailendra Kumawat. Where are you?
On, go play. Hey now, you're a rock
We
star.
have Jay Seelan, is he here?
Get the show on, get paid, and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. And all
Basavaraj. Basavaraj Nirugal.
get the show on, get paid, and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. And all
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go.
The name of the first lucky winner of this raffle, okay? Srinivas Yellaulla. There you go, my friend. Congratulations.
Rajshekhar Reddy Mandala. Arpita.
Shri Malika Tangedupalli Narimetla.
Malika.
Rajendra Madan.